What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another unboxing and review video. I bought one of these motorized elliptical trainers. I'll put the exact description or the title of which one I got in the description and the title of the video. Plus, I will put the Amazon link to the exact one I bought. But I bought this. Bought it for Mom because I try to get her to do a little exercise with her health issue, mobility issues. It's not easy. Right, we think one of these things will be able to help her. Here's what kind of idea what it looks like. Amazon has like a whole variety of choices, but I picked this one because it had good reviews. So I'm going to do an unboxing video of this now, and I'll see about doing a little review about how well it works. All right, let's get open. I'm going to cut the tape and show you. All right, I haven't looked in. Now time for the big reveal. Alright, here's directions. There's a remote. Here's a better picture of it. Yeah, see the cable to be able to plug it into the wall outlet. Here it is. With regard to like unboxing, I don't think there's going to be a lot. It's mainly just plugging it in and that's it. It's a Putnen, Putnen. I do know this was made in China, so I'm assuming this is a Chinese company fully. Looks pretty clean. Thinking about how far it traveled. Okay, I'm going to pull it out of the box and put it on the ground and plug it in. That's how it looks so far. Okay, I just plugged it in and it turned on after a second. Here's the remote control. I put some batteries in. So there's different speeds and everything. Power. There you go. Make sure you don't stand on these. They're not meant to take a weight of a person. Let's go to start. So there's different modes. It goes back and forth. Let's use direction. That doesn't work. Doing the speed. So this is the time. It's gonna take a little bit. Let's see. Let's go to stop. Let me actually put the feet on it. Yeah, it's gonna take getting used to, but I think she'll get used to it pretty quick. I remember using. I used to have a membership for a gym, something similar to this, but it was a lot bigger, and you can actually stand on it. This is obviously not meant to stand on. It's meant to sit for people's elderly, or if you work like at a desk all the time, you want to get a little extra exercise in. I'm trying to figure out maybe. See, I'm pressing like the speed. It doesn't seem to be going faster. Oh, now it's go. Okay, so this depends what mode you're on. Seems the motion's pretty fluid. And that's as fast as it goes. Unless it goes, it looks like it goes up to 12. I'm not sure that's like 12 miles per hour or what. Let's turn this down. There's one. So that's on that mode. See what mode I'm on now doesn't. So P1, P2 doesn't change. P3 doesn't change the speed. The speed doesn't change. Oh, so it's at, was it H? Was it HA or something? Then that's where you can change the speed. And then there's a direction. So it goes backwards. Then there's a data button. Okay, that changes. Okay. The data button here, this flips from like these different things. The time that shows, okay, shows your speed now. Then count. Then shows the calories. That's scanning time. That's just time. That shows your distance. Speed. Okay. So you have some options. I mean, not a whole bunch of them. But definitely some options on how you want to handle this. Anyway, let me show you the book. Here's the manual. Give you an idea. It's all the usual stuff. Contents, safety directions. Thank you for your purchase. It tells about the control panel. Now moving it, of course you better make sure you support its weight underneath. You don't want to grab it by those pedals. It's not really that heavy, at least not for me. You know, if you're elderly, it might be a problem. I don't find it to be too heavy. It feels pretty solid, I guess. The little control box or change box, or where you want to keep it, is very light. It does feel kind of flimsy, but I think it'll do. I mean, not too much on here. It's just getting used to the different stuff. So basically, really having there's really a few pieces. So I think she'll like this. My review of it, I think it'll do good. Especially if you're like I said, if you sit at a desk a lot and an office and you don't have time to get to a gym exercise, this is something you can do while you're sitting there. And it has a good amount of, I think, features for you to use to kind of like change things up with your exercise. And I think if you're elderly, or you know someone who's elderly who has some mobility issues, can't really move around a lot, this is a good thing. They can sit, watch TV, and get some steps and get some exercise. And if it goes in a really slow mode or a much faster mode. So yeah, I think this is definitely a good device. And I will put the link below so you can see the exact one I bought on Amazon. And yeah, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But this seems to be doing pretty good. I can't guarantee how long something like this would last. It would be good in a couple years. I do know this had some decent reviews. Obviously, there are some negative reviews, but you're going to have negative reviews with everything. You know, sometimes people just don't like it, or there's a problem with it. But that's how it is. But it had generally good reviews, so I think she's going to like this, and she's going to be pretty happy with it. Alright. Any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. And if you eventually want me to film like an update video, maybe a year or so from now, letting you know how this goes, let me know below, and I'll see about doing that too. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Time to get on to the next one. Peace. Nope, move. I forgot to mention one other thing, but this here is a little storage area for your remote. So, you have no excuse to lose it. Here's Angel. And that was Chubbs you saw. Okay. I also noticed, I think this is meant as the handle. There's no really other reason why I'd have it, or suppose maybe if you wanted to put the changer there too, but it's probably the handle. I would also grab it from the bottom too.